So friends, recently I have upgraded my PC, so it's cost about 152k. So I will show you the outlook of my PC, and here is the outlook of my PC. I will show you everything in the full video. If you don't want to miss this video, so please subscribe my channel. Hello friends, welcome to Emon Vlogs 360. Today I'm going to unbox a new product. It's a monitor. So friends, it's Viewsonic monitor and the model is VX2276-SHD. And so friends, I have bought it from the UCC showroom. It's a trusted shop, I can suggest you. So now I'm going to unbox the product. So friends, actually it's 22-inch monitor. So Viewsonic is not a popular brand in our country, but in the other country, in the international market, it's so much popular brand. So friends, when I unbox the product, yeah, actually it's so build quality so good. So at the first time when I unbox, so there is nothing. So take it aside. So here I can find some cables is VGA cable. So another it's a power cable, and then it's HDMI cable. So friends, who hasn't HDMI port in his computer, he should use this VGA cable, and who has the HDMI port, he can easily use it. Actually HDMI picture quality is so much good than the VGA cable. So I suggest you, if you have the port in your PC, so you should use this cable. So, and also friends, I have bought another cable. It's display cable. So because in my graphics card there is display port, and I am going to use two monitor in one PC. So for that reason I have to buy this display port, and it's so expensive. It's around 600 taka I have bought from UCC. So it's also good quality. So then I can find the power adapter. It's quite as good. So after that there is a stand. Yeah, so here is a stand. It's metal stand, and its color is, you can see it, the color, its quality is so good and heavy. So after that I can see here is the manual. You can read it, but it's not so necessary. So then here is the stand. Wow, the stand is really so good, you can see it. And here is the branding Viewsonic. Can't my camera read it? I don't know, but I tried. Yeah, a little bit here. So actually the light is shining here. So whatever, but this Discord is so good. And I have another monitor. It's HP22FW monitor. They have the stand. It's as like that, but it is really looking so dashing. So friends, I really suggest you for this look. Yeah, it's really so good. So we have it. So then there is nothing left. So now the main monitor I'm going to unbox. So here is the monitor, and it's packed so good and nice, you can see, and nothing left. It's the monitor. So friends, it's 22-inch monitor, and its refresh rate 60 Hz. No, it's 75 Hz, and also the response time is 4 milliseconds in the IPS display. It's really so good in budget. So friends, you can see the behind part of this monitor. Yes, so friends, you can see how much slim this monitor is. Actually is as like as my phone. Actually now I am shooting on my phone, so I can't compare it, but I can feel it. Actually friends, it's more slim than my phone, so you can understand how much good. And also the front side of this monitor, you can see here is some writing here. Can't it see it nicely? but and also in the behind part here written Viewsonic logo. And if I look the port, so here this portion you can see if there is a HDMI port, a display port, and VGA cable port, and also power adapter, and also headphone jack. So in this price range, so friends, it's priced about 11,000 taka. Actually I have bought it from the UCC, so they are the importer in Bangladesh. So if you are interested to buy this, I will suggest you to go to UCC for Viewsonic monitor, because if you want to buy this monitor in cheap rate, so you have to go UCC. So friends, now I'm going to mount the everything here. So friends, here is the stand, and also here's a platform, I can say. So here is a part, and it should connect with the display, and here this one I will connect it with this one. Now it's okay, just put it, and now it's okay. You can see I just do this. Actually in only 11,000 taka in this price range, I think this is the best choice, because I have another monitor HP, their price is now 12,000 or 12,000 plus, but only in 11,000 taka in this situation. So I think Viewsonic is the great choice for you. So friends, if you like my video, so please give a like and also comment in the below. And if you're new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel to get new video next time. Till then, stay well. Allah Hafiz.